Ayo nigo omo women rep ya county ya Kisii Dori Saburi Donya abagakora umurobero bwoko bwatuka ebitamba byo bochenu cyasa abanyaruka beskuru y'abanyaruka ya Riokindo umurobero yorense ya Kenya Women Parliamentary Association uyoba gose obwatranete aba women rep bonsi korwase chi county chonsi imeyense ya Kenya aba women rep korwase chi county kominemo na baba wikirana ase umurobero yo uyoba yigobo wikiranwa no muchumbe wenseme yo badia barongo ase nyaruka bo babere bakubori wa kwene kyabuna ngo bwati abare cinchira cyonsi cyo wetanga ko rwase amarito agenki muri keto Mildred Momanyi namanke
Kiombegea Kenya Women Parliamentary Association ekigetenere n'abasubati abubare abarayikurwa kibunge cyonsi imensi ya Kenya nigo baorokia obwanchanigo cyase abana baiseke imeskuru ya secondary ya Riokindo yego toka imeye ward yabo Kimonge imeye abo machoge borabu haso kubalentera ebitamba byo bochenu kose sanitary pads hase umoyego yo oragwa no mo women rep we county ya Kisii Dori Saburi hase gati abali baikirana no mojumbe bwenseme yo yabo machoge obade barongo omo MCA gati abande abange Donya nigo ateba gati yali abacha kubasemya aboroki wabo na boigo ase omotenelwe kyombe ekyo ateba mbache kweneke buna aboroki wabonsi Kenya engi mamba bebakonyora ebitamba byo bochenu ekero bali asa matukabo eliokokeanya ebirengerelyo asa banabo ekero bali ase skuru
kirikendege kabuna bono twachaga twabana sanitary pads twaba donatory nebitabu bakobeka se library na ende tocha kweneka reji abana baitu gore ya maritama pema tocha kubakani gore chief chef gem gotumia maliogo na gutoro bwanchene ase skuru okonyoro mwana ari skuru ya baiseke abwato mwise ko musani bakulikirana love letters abana babaito batatebiri mbakomanya including batego twaro bosani na balimu abana mbali bare very dangerous okonyoro mwana akubuli mwalimu obosani bono ekaroto bakanetigere bia twerealize abeboli mbare batari konyara ko open up batebya abana babo issues ekiga kirengete obwanchani kwanyara abana bono bakoliriki banyoliro.
Na sisi pia tutahakikisha kama wabunge wenu kwamba mambo ya pads tumesongesha na tumepush ili tupate kupata kwa mashule zetu ili watoto wetu kwa kauli moja wasikue wanakosa kuja shuleni kwa sababu ya ukosaji wa pads na kwa sababu ya hiyo menstrual staining themselves when they are on their monthly periods.
We want to thank you and we will continue the role that you have started today and toga ndrekubatra antokora gali kindoka school nechi nyingi turanya recommend the girl child.
Nigo babolia omwaziri bw'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu uche kuligereria ekalenda ya masomo na kweneke buna aboroki wangonyora bale obosemya igoro yogwetanga kurwa ase amalita mapema ase boigo barwa omubaro bwa bagoroki wabali abanyolirwe no mochando yo wekera omwako eta.
And I'm going to ask the Minister for Education, Honorable Machogu, you need to withdraw your circular that has refused schools from having conversation on matters sexual issues. Let us create a good curriculum that you think is best in Kenyan terms, but don't deny these children access to the information that will protect them from pregnancies. Kenya had a total of 2,204,252 pregnant girls. Of this picture, 15 to 19 year old, 68,774 came from Kisii. And honorable members, if we don't come up with good policies and support for adolescent health, we are winning the future of our nation.
Nigo baigoba ganya abana baiseke gotatwara bo babonde bwensi ekero bali asa matukabo.
Ya mwezi ni kawaida kama kuenda kwa choo. Nani anaona aibu kuenda kwa choo? So usiongope.
Tushike vitabu, tusipanue maguu, tufungue vitabu. Si ndivyo?
Want to urge all the girls. It is normal, it is natural to have menses. So don't be ashamed.
Kulipotelea egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, elitaliane Mildred Momanyi.